Hey Mason, how you doing? You love your new truck? Oh, down you go. Got it? That's the first time you've fallen down in the last 5 minutes. You're so fast. Okay. Good job. Way to go. Mason, you are so funny. Oh, you're gonna get me now. Woo, woo. He's silly. Come on, buddy. Keep going. Oh, you're so funny, Mason. You're gonna get yourself locked in that corner, and then you're not gonna have anywhere to go. Uh-huh.